Hello students, here is your subject EVS subject teacher Dharmen Singh and welcome to my Achievers Academy channel. So today I would like to start your chapter number 6. Previously I have spent 1 to 5th chapter. So today we will start chapter number 6. The chapter's name is the Every Drop Counts. This is the title name, and here is the some difficult words in this chapter, especially first steps, that is stare, second is belong, join, sambandhana, spread, expansion, float, outflow, throw out in all direction, and here is brass, that is bronze, in Hindi meaning peetal, and last one is the copper, is the kapram, Hindi meaning is taba. Is it clear? You are having 6-7 difficult words. All of you write down in your fair copy after the complete this session. So let's start our the topic. All of you open your chapter 6, page number 51. All of you open page number 51. Okay? So just I am reading, and after that I will explain what is the contents in this chapter. So long ago, this is a picture of Garsi Sar, means a lake. King Garsi of Jaisalmer got it made 65 years ago with the help of the people. All around the lake there are ghats with steps leading to the water, decorated verandas, large halls, rooms, and much more. People came here to celebrate festivals and for programs of music and dance. In this topic, you can understand, here is the picture of the Ghatsi Sar lakes. This lakes picture is here, and the name of this lakes is Ghatsi Sar. We will understand and we will know about what is the Ghatsi Sar, what was the Ghatsi Sar, and who built the Ghatsi Sar. Then in this topic, Ghatsi Sar is the joining of 9 lakes, not only one lakes. This is a much more long lakes, and huge level of the water is also there in these lakes. And the king Garsi was built this Garsi Sar lakes. The king Garsi was related, was in the Jaisalmer. Okay, and it made 65 years ago. ये जो बनवाया गया था 65 ईयर से 650 साल पहले, ये गार्सी सार लेक्स किंग गार्सी ने बिल्ड करवाया था. Is it clear? And in Ghatsi Sar lakes, the surrounding of these lakes, many decorated verandas and large halls, rooms also built this king, and so their sceneries is also much more decorating way. यहाँ की सीनरीज को ऐसा बनाया गया था, बहुत ही आकर्षित करने वाली सीनरीज को बनाया गया था, और अच्छे कार्विंग्स, नक्काशियाँ बनाई गई थी, जिससे ये घाट बहुत ही सुंदर लगता था. सो लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. रेन वाटर कलेक्टेड इन दिस लेक स्प्रेड ओवर मेनी माइल्स. In these lakes, whatever the collecting the rain waters is coming in these lakes, and that rain waters is spreading many miles, मतलब कई मीलों तक. That means many miles, कई मीलों तक rain waters फैला रहता था. It was made in such a way that when the lakes was full, ये तब यहाँ पे ये सारे 9 lakes जब भर जाते थे, the extra water flowed into another lake. Here the lakes, I want to just define this how the build this lakes. This lakes was built as like a descending order, not a parallel. This lakes was going to this level, and here is the next one level is like this. That means if this legs is filled and after that the water flow in the next legs, okay, and in this second one legs filled and after that the water overflow and after that fill the third one, and as like this 9 legs filled and join the 9 legs, and that was the Garcia legs. This was the Garcia legs. Rainwater was collected in these legs and that was full. When the full, then miles of the distance was covered in that particular legs. So come to the topic. Rainwater collected in this lake is spread over many miles. It was made in such a way that when a lake was full, the extra water flowed into another lake at the lower level. This was the lower level, and when this filled and after the extra water filled this another lakes, and when that particular lakes filled, then extra water filled another lakes, like here is illustrating. When that filled, the extra water flowed into the next lake. This way all 9 lakes filled up. This rainwater could be used throughout the year. Okay. Today Garcia is no more in use. Right now Garcia is not useful by the public and the other medium like animals and other persons. There is no much more utility of these lakes, because this is right now is the useless by the many colonies and many buildings is already built there, so that lakes is totally disturbed and destroyed. So here is also saying this Garcia is no more in use. Many new buildings and colonies has come up in between those 9 lakes. Now the water does not get collected in these lakes. Right now what is the situation is there? Water is not collected there. Rainwater just flows away and this is destroyed, wasted. Okay. So next topic is page number 52. All of you open. Here is the short story of one of the traveler that was came before of the 1,000 years ago in my India. So that traveler's name was Al-Biruni. Here is the topic name is Through the Eyes of Al-Biruni. So the name of this topic I want to just share good. This is the topic second. The chapter page number is 52. Through the eyes of Al-Biruni. What about the scene by Al-Biruni in that particular time when Al-Biruni was came here in India? So what particulars he observed in that time? That means 1,000 years ago he came in India, and what about the observed in our country? He wrote in his diary, and many times after many times he just stamped उसके इस स्टोरी को जो उसने लिखा हुआ था उसको प्रकाशित किया गया। वो उसने क्या अपनी स्टोरी को लिखा था और क्या ऑब्जर्वेशन उसका था, लेट्स वी विल हियर टू जस्ट रीड एंड अंडरस्टैंड। Through the eyes of Al-Biruni, more than 1,000 years ago, a traveler came to India. Okay, his name was Al-Biruni. The place that he came from is now called Uzbekistan. The place, वो उस प्लेस का नाम बताया जा रहा है जिस प्लेस से वो आया था, उसने प्लेस का नाम क्या था? उज्बेकिस्तान. Al-Biruni carefully observed and noted down, and here when Al-Biruni here came, then observed and noted down the details of all the saw, जो भी उसने यहाँ पे देखा, he wrote especially about those things that found very different from his own country. उसने वही चीज लिखा जो कि स्पेशली उसके यहाँ उसकी कंट्री से और यहाँ की कंट्री से में काफी अंतर दिख रहा था, उन्हीं चीजों को उसने राइट किया. Obviously, whatever we are seeing the different types of sceneries and other things, then we get very surprised and wondered how it is going to build and how this part by the peoples. So in this type things we are much more aggressive and surprised way, so write down some things. Okay, so students, this was the topic of chapter 6, Al-Biruni traveler, and after that I will meet